Oke, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillah nabi nasallallahu alaihi wasallam. Ambiya wa mursalin sayyidina wa maulana Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Oke, Excellency Dr. Hanifida and Dr. Idawati as the Director of Pesantren Program Hanifida, the honorable to all my teacher, and then respectable to my dad, my mom, and all beloved my family and all beloved my friends. Okay, today I want to presentation my mapping about sneezing part 2. Okay, the first is types in sneezing. Okay, yes, we hear them every day. People have clean ears in sneeze, while others sneeze as quick as a mouse. This is sick or sneezing is menular. Okay, and then this is often because your body responds differently on the type amount to allergen depending. And then others respond for variation in sneezing. Okay, the first this is individual can vary in their sensitive to irritation in your nose or allergen in your nose. Okay, if you sneeze multiple times in a row, it probably means that your body or in your nose and then did not get irritation after first to your nose and is still working to remove it or woman with okay, and then woman with eyes closed sitting on sofa, you must sneeze tissue. Okay, and then the last is sneezing attitude. Okay, the first is you mouth and nose with a tissue when you sneezing, and then you next was you wash your hand after you sneezing and immediately disposing of or and then okay, and then attitude as attitude in Islam after you sneezing. Okay. Okay. Is after sneezing, you say Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah, Amin, and then is your brother or his brother is say Yarhakumullah first, and then you sneezing, you say Yarhakumullah, and the former soap say Yahdikumullah. Okay, thank you for your attention. I'm sorry for my mistake. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.